Don't tell anyone this because I could get in trouble with the boss, but I've got a secret on how you can stop coming to a garage, and it's really easy to do as well. Anyone can do it. Shh, don't tell anyone. I could get fired. Take my glasses off because this is how serious it is, guys. So, okay, the big secret: if you don't want to come to a garage a lot, you don't want loads of repairs all the time. Oh, hold on, someone's coming. Let me duck down here. The big secret: if you don't want to come to a garage a lot, do every service. Get a service every year. You won't have any car problems. You'll still have brakes and stuff, but you won't have any of like the big car problems. And if you do that, then you'll save loads of money. I shouldn't be telling you this because we make money from people having bad cars, but you should know you shouldn't ever need a full engine replacement. If you just do regular servicing, then you won't get to that stage. I've got to go. People are coming in and it's looking a bit sus that I'm hiding in the hedges. I will reveal more secrets on how to save loads of money at the garage. Don't tell the boss.